Can you tell me why Ruby on Rails is bad?
Ruby on Rails is popular because it encourages programmer productivity.
The slam on the keyboard and slap together an app. That does not mean it is a quality product.
Ruby on Rails leads to quickly assembled apps. The resulting apps from Twitter to Groupon work up to a certain point before they have to migrate to another platform.
I heard about Twitter having to move off Ruby on Rails.
Ruby is a programming language that was designed with the Rails framework in mind. In theory, that improves interoperability and minimizes mistakes.
You disagree.
Ruby on Rails is Java-like, but it lacks the interoperability and universality of Java.
I would not hold Java up as a shinning example. I certainly see enough Java errors and Java update notices to give me pause, or, rather, bring work to a halt until I update and reboot.
One of the biggest reasons Ruby on Rails goes off the rails is its lack of backward compatibility. When I update Java, it works 99% of the time.
And what happens with Ruby on Rails?
Ruby on Rails rarely changes versions, but it often breaks any project built in the old version.
I'd hate to say Java manages to beat Ruby on Rails.
Another weakness of Ruby is that it has relatively few online resources compared to languages like PHP. What online resources there are don't get updated like those for Java or PHP.
Ruby has gems, the plugins that let you accelerate development.
Ruby is not so pretty when it comes to errors. It is more likely to blow up than give you an error you can troubleshoot.
And Ruby does not have a lot of help resources.
All of that is made worse by the steep learning curve working with Ruby. If you make more errors because it is so hard, debugging them is harder when there are fewer online resources and a smaller online community to help you.
Ruby does not sound like such a gem anymore.